When I'm looking at gaming headsets under $100, a few things come to mind when helping me make my decision. Is it comfortable? How does it sound? Does it have software to back up its features? And is it wireless? Because you guys know that I absolutely hate wires. Logitech just added the G435 to the lineup. It's a new wireless gaming headset, comes in at $80, super comfortable, very lightweight, and it actually has Bluetooth functionality. Let's find out if it's any good. Getting its specs out of the way, we have 40mm drivers with a frequency response of 20Hz to 20,000 Hz. Paired up with Logitech's Lightspeed wireless technology that's casted through its USB Type-A dongle. In the box, you have the USB Type-C to A charging cable, the dongle, and the headset itself, which is surprisingly light, coming in at just 165 grams. As you can imagine, anything even close to a half pound is considered a feather in the gaming world. This coming in at 0.36 pounds makes it one of the lightest, if not lightest, gaming headsets I've ever tested. Its design and comfort makes it easy to understand just how Logitech did it. It's constructed of a lightweight plastic with no metal anywhere in sight. It even has 20% of its build being put together using recycled plastic. Now it comes in a few different colorways. You have the matte black version with these lime green accents. It comes in an off-white, and then there's this like bluish raspberry color, which I could only imagine the setup that would be needed to cater to that kind of look. Woof. No RGB or software, which makes things simple and streamlined. It doesn't stop there either. Even the controls are minimalist, which is always a nice treat. Your left ear cup houses everything: the power button, volume rocker, USB Type-C port, and a microphone mute button that doubles as your switch between Bluetooth and dongle pairing modes with a simple tap and hold. Now, interestingly enough, this headset doesn't have a 3.5mm port, so you can't use it as a wired connection. You also don't have a boom arm for the microphone. It's two dual mics on that front left ear cup that houses pretty much everything else in the headset, which you guys know where I'm going with this already. You'll be able to hear everything. We'll cover the mic here in a little bit, but I wanted to mention that. You also can't use the headset while it's dead or while charging, so keep that in mind as well. More importantly, even though it gives you the option to choose which device you want to listen to with Bluetooth, you can only use one at a time. No multiple device support, which isn't a deal breaker, and something I don't really expect at this price point, but it's worth mentioning. The ear cups don't fold 90 degrees, but do give a bit when adjusting, so no issues there. Clamping force is non-existent, even for a head as massive as mine. I mean, I wore these all day without any issues, and they didn't even break a sweat. Something I don't experience too often in the game room when rocking well-padded memory foam ear cups. Now, Logitech is advertising up to 18 hours of battery life with this headset, which I found to be fairly accurate. Same goes for the distance between the headset and the transmitter. They advertise around 10 meters, which is just over 30 feet before it starts capping out. I'd say that's fairly accurate as long as there's no obstacles or any walls in your way. When it came to music and gaming performance, this headset was solid at this price point. Music sounded good, you got a decent amount of power. However, when it came to gaming performance, it lacked a little bit with clarity. Explosions and gunfights weren't the clearest, but I was able to hear footsteps, which, I'll be honest, weren't always super accurate, even with the 3D audio on the PS5. Needless to say, you can hear footsteps. No software like I mentioned before, but you are also able to pair this headset with Dolby Atmos and Windows Sonic for that added functionality. Microphone, back to that. I'm curious to see how it stacks up against some of my other current favorite gaming headsets that I'm using, while also seeing how much background noise it picks up, especially keyboard clicks. Let's take it up into the game room and find out. And another important factor is sound isolation. Since this is a Bluetooth headset, you obviously can use it out and about. Just note that it doesn't have active noise cancellation or anything like that. Not that I would expect that at this price point, but you can hear pretty much everything that's going on around you. I can hear my computers right now. I can hear my fans blowing in the background. You can hear everything unless you're above half volume, possibly almost at full, to get rid of all the noise that's around you. But then that causes a different issue. Obviously, then everyone can hear you because the sound leakage with this headset is definitely real. Once you're at full volume, pretty much everyone can hear what you're listening to, so keep that in mind. Currently, I'm talking to you guys on the Elgato Wave 3. Let's go ahead and switch over to the microphone on the G435 so you guys can see what it sounds like in comparison. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Logitech G435. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, and only if you end up liking this video, please make sure you smash that like button for me. Now let's go ahead and stack up the microphone quality on this headset versus the HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless, Corsair Virtuoso, the Audeze Penrose, and the Audeze Mobius, all of which are much more expensive gaming headsets. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Logitech G435. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Audeze Penrose gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Audeze Mobius gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Logitech G435. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Audeze Penrose gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Audeze Mobius gaming headset. Let me know down below in the comment section which one of these you guys think sounded the best. For me, it's always been the Corsair Virtuoso or the Audeze Mobius. Lately though, I prefer the Mobius over everything else. But I'm always curious to know what you guys think, so make sure you let me know down below. And another test I always like doing for you guys up here in the game room is to see how much keyboard clicking the microphones on these headsets pick up. Obviously, this not having a boom arm and having a dual band microphone on the front is obviously going to pick up a lot more noise, but let's give it a try. We're about 1.5 feet away from the keyboard here. Oof. It's picking up everything. Even more when I start talking, because that's when my noise gate opens up. So yeah, whether you plan on using this headset for gaming, recording, streaming, whatever it is, talking to your friends in Discord, party chat, that's what the microphone quality sounds like, and that's how much keyboard clicking it actually picks up. The G435 looks awesome. It's super lightweight and comfortable with very low latency and a seamless setup process. It has Bluetooth and the ability to connect to a wide variety of different devices and consoles wirelessly. Sound isolation isn't the best, you can't use it wired, and its mic picks up background noise more than I'm used to. But then again, you have headsets out there that cost almost double and don't offer low latency Bluetooth. Not to mention, sound quality is as good as you would expect for an $80 headset. I mean, you do have the Razer Barracuda X, which is another option we reviewed a few months back. Comes in at 20 bucks more with a better mic, but doesn't offer Bluetooth. So what I'm saying is, if you want a super lightweight gaming headset that's very comfortable, that has Bluetooth functionality on a budget, it's gonna be hard to beat this guy at 80 bucks. You have that Razer Barracuda X, which we reviewed a few months back. I'll have the link down below for you, but even that's $20 more, and it doesn't have Bluetooth functionality. So I'm curious to know what you guys are currently rocking with though in 2021, especially when it comes to budget headsets. We already know what the premium headsets are, we've covered them 50 times. I'm curious to know what you guys are rocking with as a budget setup. So make sure you let me know down below, along with all the other links to everything that we covered in today's video. If you want to see more, go ahead and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at DetroitFury. And if you enjoyed this content, please make sure you smash that like button for me, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.